Hi everybody! In the last video when we made this gas tank, we, of course, removed this old one. But while doing that, we also removed this Speedo and these dash lights. And today we will add those back, but way smaller. And in the spirit of removing big things, we will remove these humongous indicator lights. We come in peace. And replace them with, you guessed it, something smaller. Okay, let's go. Get to work, Earthling.
I will use the mounting points of the ignition coil. I just realized that the Speedo cable is too short, so I will move the Speedo to the right side instead. I managed to draw the new light upside down. When this hole points towards me, this light points upwards. On my design, it points downwards.
Tiny Speedo, check. Tiny indicators, check. I will wrap these cables in something nicer once I do the final wiring of the bike. But that will be another video. If you want to catch that, you might consider subscribing. And if you like tiny things, maybe leave a like as well. Thank you for watching and I see you later. Bye!